Whew, it's all done. A breakfast vending machine. Oh, the kid's gonna love it.
Sally? Yeah? Don't you feel a little hungry? My stomach hurts a lot because I didn't eat breakfast today. Oh, Deema, I'm not hungry because I got Skittles. Oh, silly you, Sally. You can't eat Skittles in the morning. Sally, we need to eat breakfast. Healthy food. Okay, let's go. Okay. Sally, look! It's a breakfast vending machine. This is so cool. I've never seen one. Whoa! This is so cool. It is. And look! Yep, it got Cheerios, Crave, Nesquik, bananas, and milk. And it says school breakfast. This is so cool. And it's very good because we're about to go to school. Okay, what should I get? I'm really hungry. I don't need it. I have my Skittles. What should I get? There's so many good choices. Oh, Deema, you should get Crave. Crave's not my favorite, but I really like Nesquik. Okay, let's put the money in. Okay. Let's do it. It plays music too. That's so cool. All right. Whoa! Look at it. It's so cool. Okay, Sally, but I also want milk in my cereal. So let's press the milk. Whoa! I want some bananas too. Whoa, that was so cool. Okay, I can't wait to eat it. This looks so good. But Sally, are you sure you don't want some? No, I got my Skittles. All right, let's go enjoy. Let's enjoy my cereal. And my Skittles. Let's open mine. We're gonna get the best. So good. This is the best. Oh, Deema, my tummy hurts. Ow. Your stomach hurts? Sally, I know the reason why. You were eating Skittles and you didn't eat healthy food right now. I'm sorry, Deema. It's okay. Let's go get some healthy food for you. Let's go. Okay. Come on, Sally, we're here. What would you like? I would like Crave. Crave? Okay, put your money in. And I want bananas. That was a very great choice, Sally. Thank you, Deema. You're welcome. Let's go. Okay. Whoop! I didn't see you guys there. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this big fat thumbs up, and subscribe. Bye, guys. And guys, always eat breakfast before you go to school. And always eat healthy food. Bye, guys. Let's go, Sally. Okay. All right, I got my lunchbox, and now let's put healthy food inside. Let's do this. Ooh, we got a banana, my favorite, right here. We got a cucumber. We got an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay, what else? Ooh, yummy oranges. All right. And now we got the delicious broccoli, my favorite color, green. And lastly, we got some carrots. This looks so good. Let's close it. Okay, I got my healthy snacks. Now let's go to school. All right. I'm so hungry. Let's eat my favorite fruit, a banana. It's good and healthy for your body. Oh, hi, Deema. Oh, hi, Sally. What do you have for lunch? You'll see. Yummy. Sally, that's all sweet. You don't have any healthy food? No, I want sweet. Sally, this is not okay. It's not healthy for your body. No, Deema, it's only a little bit. Okay, Sally. Oh, the bell has rang. I have to go back to class. See you at home time. Bye. Bye. My tummy hurts. I don't know why my tummy hurts now. It was fine. Maybe Deema was right. Oh, hi Sally. What's wrong? My tummy hurts. Sally, I knew it. It's because you were eating chocolate all on lunch break. I told you you should have packed healthy food. But I don't know what healthy food I should put. Can you please help me? Yes, Sally, let's go. Let's go back in our house. Okay, Sally, let's first put carrots. Carrots? You put 3, and I'll put 2. Yummy, yummy, healthy for you. All right, now let's get some yummy broccolis. Broccolis? Broccolis are so healthy for you, and it's my favorite color, green. Yeah. All right, now we get the apples. An apple a day. Remember, it keeps the doctor away. All right, let's put it inside. And your favorite fruit, oranges. Yummy, orange. All right, and then we got my favorite fruit, which is a banana. So healthy too. Banana, smiley face. All right, and the last thing is a cucumber. So delicious. And healthy food gives you some strong muscles, right? Yep. And Deema, yeah, I think you're right. These look yummy. Oh no, Sally, we're late for school. Let's go. Oh no. Yeah, Deema, you're so right. This is delicious than the sweet. Sally, it's always healthy, and make sure you always eat healthy food. Yep. Okay, Sally, let's go. Let's go. Whoop! I didn't see you guys there. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Bye. Make sure you guys always eat healthy foods. Yeah. All right, let's go, Sally.